Hello, my name is Bryce Tubbs. So today's video is going to be talking about sustainability. Now, sustainability is the ability to not have to work for someone ever again. It is the ability to be able to consistently grow your business in a way that allows you to consistently have the income to either pay your bills, or hopefully like as I would hope that you'd want is to exceed your expenses by a lot, whether that's 2x, 3x, 5x. I don't know exactly what it is for you and what your dream is, but sustainability is really the key that's going to do it. Now, what actually leads to sustainability? So let me give you a story. So for me, when I was first starting the business, when I had to go around the around my town and my community to be able to go out and get business owners to be able to pay me money to do the marketing for them, right? So you do that, you're hustling, you're going one after one, you're chasing, but then you run out of people to actually, come and talk to because you just run out of businesses to do. Maybe you have a lot of clients in that, maybe you don't. It really depends on your area, but that's not sustainable. Instead, what I had to learn how to do was how to go, and get these same one-on-one clients online. But then even more sustainable was learning how to get people to start coming to me. Once I was able to start getting people to come to me, it allowed me to be able to have more options. Once I had more options and more, ability to talk to the market, see specifically what they actually wanted, I was able to create solutions and, products and services that they actually wanted to pay for. What does that mean for you? How does that translate for you? So once you really understand how to get people to come towards you, which is something that we work on extremely, we take a lot of time inside of our group to really talk about how to do that and really show you guys what that looks like in action, then you're going to start to have more options. Once you have more options, you're going to be able to open up new programs. So what if you're a coach, maybe you're doing one-on-one coaching right now, not because you want to, but because you don't know how to fill up a group. Maybe that's one thing that you want to go next. Maybe instead of even doing a group, you want to release a book, or you want to release a course or an audio program. I don't know exactly what it is going to be for you, but once you start learning how to get enough people to follow you on a consistent basis and actually interact with your content, you're going to start to be able to get more of what you're searching for. Okay? So if that's something that you've been searching for, maybe you tried it in time past and it just hasn't worked out for whatever reason. I know for me, for the longest times, if I had learned how to do this probably 4 years earlier, I probably wouldn't even be here today because my other businesses would be taken off and it was totally different than a marketing firm, right? But I know that now, and I understand how to translate that skill to my clients. So if that's something that you're really looking for and you've been searching for how to do it, but just can't do it for yourself, I recommend you go join the group. There's going to be a link in the description below. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed creating it. Feel free to share this video with someone who can benefit from the information. Have a great day. See you later and take it easy.